first thing you want to do is go through and number this. So the front is the cover, right? Backside's still the cover. This is page 1. If I turn the backside of page 1, that's 2. Then 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Okay. So first page we're doing is page 1. Intro to polynomials. Today is the 8th, my nephew's birthday. Okay, so we want to talk about what is a polynomial. So it's one or more constants. Is this on the screen? Yeah. Or variables. Terms combined. By addition or subtraction. One or more constants or variables, terms, combined by addition or subtraction. You can just set it on my desk. So, star note. All exponents must be positive. Integers. So really what that means is no roots, and no negative exponents, no dividing. Which we'll go over here in a second. So a standard form for a polynomial, this is not exactly what everyone's going to look like, but would be something like a x squared plus bx plus c, with a and b being integers, or real numbers, I should say. Okay, so standard form. Variables are descending. Like it goes x squared to x to not having an x. The variables are descending. The leading coefficient is the coefficient of largest degree variable. Okay, so let's go over examples of polynomials. First example. x plus 8 is a polynomial. Have you seen a term like that before? Okay. Negative 5x squared, it's a polynomial. Another one. X squared y squared minus xy, also a polynomial. Let's go with the fraction now. 2/3 x to the 4th plus 9/10 x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 2. That's a polynomial. Square root of 81 plus x squared then cubed equals 9 plus x to the 6th. So now I have an equal sign in there. It's still a polynomial. Why is this not considered a square root or a rational? Sorry, why is this not considered an irrational?
Because it's a perfect square.
Because what is this reduced to? 9. So that's basically why we can have that in there. Let's leave it at that. Oh, here, one more. 2x squared plus x plus 2. Okay. Now, something that's not a polynomial. Square root of x plus 4. This is not a perfect square. No radicals. So that's not a polynomial. Okay, x to the negative 2 power. No negative powers or exponents. Okay, and 3 divided by x. This is the same as 3x to the negative 1, right? Remember, if x is on the bottom, it's a negative power. No dividing by variable. You can divide by a number, but not by a variable. You just put it on my desk. Alright, so the gist of what we're going to do real quick. We're going to talk about degrees and number of terms. So something that has no degrees is called a constant. What that means is, like, to what degree is the exponent? Well, there is no exponent, like just 12. The number 12 is a constant. Okay, something that has 1 degree, 1 variable, is linear, which we learned about last year. Something that has 2 degrees, quadratic. Anybody guess what 3 degrees would be? Cubic. And here's a new word for you. Oh, I'll put the R in the wrong place. Q-U-A-R-T-I-C. Quadic. Quad. Yeah, I don't take English. Number of terms. Oh, we're almost out of time. So let me finish this. Number of terms. 1 term is a monomial, which we just spent a whole unit on. 2 terms is a binomial. 3 terms is trinomial. 4 terms is a polynomial.